Hi Rubio, I've just got a few quick comments, some information for you to tackle the click the image to go to this page. So obviously, that needs to go back to where it was, but that's not the issue. I just thought I'd explain these tooltips are in an order. So there's programming language, and you may not need to touch this, but I just thought I'd let you know. So this marker here, blue markers are unlocked for you to try. That comes up when you clear your cache. It's the and you first come to the website. That will disappear when the marker comes up, and then if I scroll off again, it comes up again and will not clear until somebody has actually clicked this image to go to the page. Now if I click the image and I go to the Flinders page, and then I hit the back button as if I've read the page, and I come back to the demo. There, this is now out of alignment, this click here. So you obviously went in to fix it. I'd possibly revert the code to how it was, and then try again. And I probably should have discussed this, but anyway, moving forward, if you could revert the code and try again, that will obviously save you trying to fix this. So if I click on here, that one is now complete, and there should be a tooltip at this point here which says something about these satellite markers are highlighted on the map. And then once I've hovered on this, that tooltip is complete. This one, once again, is out of alignment. So yeah, just revert the code, and when you first zoom in to this level, there should be a tooltip which comes up there, which isn't coming up at all. Now that one, where's that gone again? Oh, it's gone now. Hang on. That one. Okay, so zoom in on that. And then, yeah, that one's out of alignment as well. So obviously there were some changes, so just revert that and that will all be okay. So yeah, I'll leave it with you, and let me know how you go. Thanks. Cheers, Rubio.